So it's on live weather. Today's weather is a bit hit and miss, really. I mean, it's where I am in Nottinghamshire. It's raining slightly. It's quite low cloud, but it's not too windy at the moment. But there is a lot of wind down south, so I do expect this flight to be quite a breezy flight. Right, guys, let's get going. Yeah, it's definitely windy. That's a fact. Alright, okay, so we've got to make a turn. Right. Right, let's go, guys. Engines on max. Parking brake disengage. Let's go. It's a very short takeoff, this one. Short runway. But not a problem in this plane. Oh, we'll take you for a little... Perfect. It is definitely on the breezy side, that is for sure. And you can see the wind pushing the plane. Flaps are up. Right. Let's engage autopilot. And the weather's still, it's a little bit choppy, it's a little bit windy, but it's actually not too bad at the moment. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy with the beginnings of this flight so far. I love on the screen here, you can see all the little scratches on the windows. It's so much cool detail. Okay, guys, so we are coming over land. Land ahoy! And there is a Land's End. As you can see it. There it is. Below us. So, if you was visiting the UK, slow it down just a little bit now. Then that is the Land's End Visitor Centre and Car Park. Flying straight over it now. We are going at quite a speed, guys, but I've got to make up. I want to make up some distance today. We are doing a UK coastal tour, so if you are not familiar with my channel, I am a travel channel. I do visit lots of places around Britain and Europe. And I also do these flights in flights to sort of show you what Britain, Great Britain looks like. So I have started in the east of England and I've flown all the way to the top of Scotland. I've gone all the way across to Northern Ireland and I've made my way to the bottom where we are now, which is Cornwall and Land's End. And now we are basically going to be covering the entire south of Great Britain before we head back up north to where we begun in Lincolnshire. Okay, so you can see now we are coming up to Penzance. That is literally straight ahead of us. So what I'd like to do here is, if I just zoom in on the map, I'll give you some sort of, that's better, give you some sort of look. So yeah, this is Penzance. We're flying over now, so it's just going to be a short flight over Penzance, folks. I do want to get moving and get as far as I can on today's flight. So right below us there is Penzance. It is a beautiful town. If you're ever in Cornwall, highly recommend a visit to Penzance. It does have some beautiful little pubs in Penzance. Alright, so that was a quick flyover. Did not take us long to get to Penzance, guys, did it? Going to Marizine now. So that should not... I mean, we're going to be there in seconds, guys. So this is Michael's Mount below us here, if you're wondering. Doesn't look like that in real life, guys. Check it out online. St Michael's Mount. St Michael's Mount and the causeway to get to it. Definitely needs to be checked out online, folks. I've been to the one in France and it's just mind-blowing. We was hoping to go this year, but in 23, but we never got the chance. So by the time this upload goes live on YouTube, it will be 2024, and it is, time of recording, it is actually New Year's Eve. Oh, it's definitely windy. It's definitely a bit of a breeze. Okay, so as you can see, there's a few caravan sites dotted along here. Ah, it's definitely windy. It's definitely windy. As you can see, we've got a bit of a sideways drift going off here. So there's a small village of Ashton below us. The weather's actually alright at the minute. It's just windy. Okay, so don't forget to check out the YouTube channel raymondoleetravel. Please head over there and check it out. All my Twitch streams of this flight tour are going onto that channel. And we're almost ready for making a landing, folks, already. And once I've made the landing, I will set up the next flight. So now we're going over Newham. A big Navy base here. And there's Helston. In fact, we are going over the Navy base now. It's called Rose Navy. As you see, it's quite a big base. Right, we need to be talking to someone here, don't we? Alright guys, we are going straight in. Oh, this is going to be a tricky landing, this is. This is going to be a tricky landing. Oh, well off at marks here, guys. And we are down, we are down. It's quite breezy, got to admit. It is very windy. It is very windy. But we are down and we are going to be doing our next flight very soon indeed. But I need to do my routing first. How it is. Okay, so that's that flight done. I'll say it was a short one. Short hop. 20 minutes. So yeah, not a bad flight time. and we'll be back again very soon with the next part of this journey. I think the next part might be a little bit longer. So, yep, make sure you tune in, and we'll see you again next week. Bye for now.